In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines using Canva. This is such a simple yet essential skill for anyone looking to add some creativity or clarity to their designs. Whether you're an experienced designer or a complete beginner, mastering how to use lines effectively can make all the difference. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, to get started, you need to open Canva and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Canva homepage, proceed to create a new design or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. Having your project ready will make it easier to visualize where you want to place your lines. This step is vital because a clear canvas allows you to focus on enhancing your design with the lines. Next, look towards the left side of your screen where you will see a vertical toolbar. This is your main toolkit within Canva. You want to move your attention to the Tools option. It's generally located towards the bottom of this toolbar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on Tools, you'll notice a variety of features pop up. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on finding the pencil icon. It's a very intuitive tool that allows you to draw freehand lines. Click on this pencil icon. This action activates the drawing tool. With the pencil tool selected, it's time for the fun part, actually drawing the line. Move your cursor over to the canvas area where you want your line to appear. Click and hold the left mouse button down, then simply drag your cursor in the direction you want your line to go. The line appears as you move, so take your time to adjust its path as needed. If you wish to create a straight line, a helpful tip is to hold down the Shift key while dragging. This keeps the line perfectly straight, making it ideal for adding structure and symmetry to your work. Once you're happy with your line, just release the mouse button to finalize it. Drawing lines in Canva is really that easy. After you've drawn your line, remember to explore its editing options. By clicking on the line, you'll notice options at the top of the canvas that allow you to change its color, thickness, and style. You can experiment with these settings to see what looks best for your design. And there you have it. With these steps, drawing lines on Canva can be seamlessly integrated into your creative process, helping you build more polished and coherent designs. Feel free to explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with this tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide.